Welcome back, gold hunters, to day 2. Got a bit puffed, been doing a bit of digging. So after such a good start to this morning yesterday, and then pretty shit afternoon, a lot of walking, decided to come back where I got those few nuggets in the morning. So I brought a shovel with me today. I'm just taking this edge off this wall where I pulled all the nuggets out. I got 1, 2, 3. So I'm hoping there might be some more. It's good looking dirt, and this is where the old timers were digging. And I think the only reason they stopped digging here is because there's a wall here that they've made out of rocks, and I think they stopped because they didn't want to break the wall down from the creek there. So anyway, we'll see how we go. Do a couple of digs, but should turn up something. All right, let's get the magic wand out and see what happens. Sounds very nice. Yes. There it is, big gold. Yeah. On the board. Pays to do a bit of shoveling. I figured there'd be more here. Getting 3 that close together. Might keep chipping away at this hole, I think. Give you a look at this one. Not a bad little chunker. Probably around the 0.2 mark. You. Alrighty, gold hunters. I've done a bit more digging, as you can see, in the same spot where I got that last nugget. And I did one more dig and I got a signal here. Only a really faint one. Really faint one. Let's see if she livens up. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! I like the sound of that. I like the sound of that a lot. It's in the wall a bit. Come on. I haven't had any grammars this session. A grammer would be nice. Come on. Come on, Shiny. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's a nice bit. Oh yeah. Woo! Ah, digging pays off, I tell ya. Bit of hard work, but I'll tell you what, that's nearly that grammar I was after. She's a beauty. Woo! Look at that. She's a nice piece. I'll give you a look-see. Should be close to that grammar. Look at that. She's a beautiful piece. Alrighty, so I'm digging down. Getting down to that same sort of layer. That's where you start getting all these big rocks in the orange clay. But I haven't gone over that yet, but always check your diggings because you might dig a target out, and which I've done right now. Done a little one. Always check your pile. I reckon it's a flat piece. Yeah, it keeps changing. Tilt the scoop and it gets louder. That's how you can miss them sometimes when they're sticking upside on. Yeah, it's a bit of gold. There he is. It's only a little one. But exactly what I said. It's a really thin piece. That's why I've missed it, digging. Now look, when it's flat, it's not a bad size, but you turn it side on, it's paper thin. Really, really thin. So she might have been sitting like that in the hole, and that's why I didn't pick it up until I've dug it out and flipped it on its side. And I just dropped it. Been a long time between targets. It seems like bloody repeated yesterday. I got all those nuggets this morning in that hole and then dried up, so I moved on. Haven't got anything yet. A couple bits of lead, that was it. But yeah, nothing worth showing. But I've got a nice signal going on here in the side of the hill. I've just climbed up the bank from down there. I can see there's a bit of a water race up here. So I thought I'd come and check it out. I'm walking up the hill, we've got a bit of a screamer there. Anyway, let's check it out. What have we got? Dropped it. It's late. Oh, it's been a long time since I've been back on. Left that hole this morning, had a good start in the morning. Seemed to be a repeat of yesterday, good start and then nothing. But yeah, I've got a couple of bits of lead, but not even worth showing. But I'm in a bit of a workings nut here at the moment, and had a screaming target here, didn't get the camera out, but she's turned into a kinder. So let's hope it's gold. Fingers crossed. It's been a long time. Come on. Where's the yellow? Oh no. It's a bloody slug gun pellet. Freaking hell. Found a few of them around here. Oh, anyway, keep going. Yellow's got to come soon. This is the test of patience. Stick it out. It's been a long day, gold hunters. Since that morning session, been dry. Got some lead, but no gold. No gold. Same as yesterday. Far out. Gold early and then nothing. Anyway, phone's about to bloody die, but I just thought I'd just having a search around here, nothing. I just kicked this rock, flipped it over, right where it was sitting. Have a listen. There's a little sweet sound there. I think we'll have a scratch so we can get her out, eh? Hope she's going.